Explain front and back office. Already we discussed about front office and back office. The functions of a front office, customer reception, handling inquiries, sales support, complaint handling, public relations. So front office is nothing but it is a place that is located in front of the organization, right? And the customers or visitors, a client comes to the business means they have to or they will or they should approach the employees in the front office. So the functions of a front office or functions of a front officers is customer reception, handling inquiries raised by the customers, client, and visitors. Then sales support, front office support to the sales because front office only collect the orders and communicate to the visitors and client. Complaint handling, who is receiving the complaint? Complaint are received only by the front officers. They are handling the complaint. Then public relations, who is contacting the outside parties on behalf of organization or company. On behalf of organization, on behalf of companies, employees, front office employees only would contact the outside people, would contact the third parties, would contact the public. So the front officers or front office maintain the relationship with the public. So these are the functions of front office. So back office. What are the functions of back office? Already I said the example of a back office. Accounting department, HR department, and then inventory and IT support departments. They are back office. Here functions following the accounting, collecting accounting details, recording the accounting data, analyzing the accounting, and then finding profit or loss, preparing balance sheet. These are the functions are carried out by back office, accounting department office or accounting department. Then another office, payroll processing are done by the back office. Human resource management, employees training, employees grievance redressal, or employees direction given by the direction given to the employees or employees training. All the things are done by the back office. Then inventory management, IT support. IT support means creating the software, maintaining software, right? Separate, building separate software. These are the functions are done by back office. Then you take a difference between a front office and back office. Who is directly contacting the customer? Front office or back office? Who is contacting the customers? Front officers or employees in front office deal with the customer, but back office, they are supporting to the internal operation. Front office generate business, back office support business function. Front office customer oriented, back office process oriented. Front office follow reception, sales and customer services, but back office follow the functions of HR, accounts, IT and administration functions. These are the difference between front and back office. Open office and private office. What is open office and private? Already we said open office means it is a largest hall or room. No, open office is a shared or space with a few or no physical partition. So it is the largest room. There you can find a different department based on the partition, right? Advantages, it encourages teamwork because if one department employee has a doubt, he can, clear his doubt in from other department because all are there, all are sitting in a biggest room. So encouraging teamwork, easy communication, they can communicate, one department employee can communicate with other department because they are sitting in opposite or in other, nearby they are sitting. Better space utilization. One largest room is having different departments. So space occupied in effective manner, lower construction cost, flexible seating arrangement. Based on their requirements, a seating arrangement can be changed or can be modified. Disadvantages, since they all are sitting at a biggest room, there would be more noise and distraction. Since all of them are sitting at a largest room, uh, there is lack of privacy, right? Then reduced concentration. One is talking with this person or another nearby person is talking to third or fourth person. So reduced concentration and lack of privacy, then more distraction and noise. These are the uh, disadvantages of open office. Then private office advantages, greater privacy because the HR department is in separate room, production department in separate room, or sales department in separate room. So there is a greater privacy. No one can enter without getting permission. Then better concentration because there is no noise, there is no distraction. Confidential discussion, reduced distraction. These are the benefits. Disadvantages, higher construction cost because every department need separate rooms or separate building like. So construction cost is more. Less interaction among the employees. If employee in one department is having doubt, he should go out and meet in other department. So less interaction among the employees. It may create some confuses or it may take delay in completion of works. Then another disadvantage is it requires more office space. These are the disadvantages of private office. Then it's elements of office management. Already we discussed all the process of management or elements of office management. Duties of office managers. Who is office manager? The leader in the office, the person who is directing, coordinating the office employees are called office manager. Major duties of planning office work, supervising the employees, maintaining office record in proper manner, then managing office equipment, phone, chairs, computers, printing machine. All these office equipment are maintained by the office manager based on their office, equipment layout. Then budgeting to the office. Office expenses are budgeted by the office managers. Ensuring office discipline, dress code, punctuality, office policies, all these things should be monitored. So ensuring office discipline, then coordinating all the departments in the organization because he is a leader of office. Office is a center point of the organization. Office manager only should coordinate all the departments. Ensuring legal compliance, maintain statutory records, then ensure compliance with company policy and the legal requirements, improving office efficiency. These are the duties, major duties of office managers. Then difference between paperless and virtual office. With the paperless office focus on digital document, virtual office focus on remote working. Paperless office reduce the paper usage, virtual office reduce the physical office dependency. Paperless office require documents management system. There in virtual office require internet and communication tools. It can